Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to make the tone paper effect on an image or any image. So this is the image I'll be using today, and basically what you need to do after bringing in your image is making sure that the relative size is up to the highest, making sure that it's at the maximum. The relative size, that's the width and the height, is to its highest level, and then you use your relative position to make sure that the image is placed very well so that you won't make any mistakes. So the next thing after doing this is to bring in our tone paper, and we'll click on the plus sign up here. I've already downloaded my own, so I will show you how to get your own tone paper. I'll show you first. Let's just keep and go to that part where I show you where to get your tone paper effect. As you can see on my search bar here already, I have it, square tone paper png. When you click on it, you have different types or kinds of pngs and all of that. So you could just use any one that you feel is suitable for your design, or anyone you love, and either press down on it to download the image, but this will require you to also remove the background of the image. But you can also visit any of the websites that have the one you like this one. When you search through and you see the one that you like, you click on it and you download. As long as it's free, you download it. I've already downloaded earlier, but because of this video I'll just download it again. As you can see up here, it's downloaded. So now let's return back to our design. I'll just use the one I already downloaded before. So what you do is you click on the tone paper. Sorry, let me use the exact one I used. Okay, so you click on the tone paper and you check, then you decrease it or increase it depending on what you want exactly, and then you place it the way you want it to be placed. It is your choice in putting it the way you want to put it on the image, however it suits you. And then after doing that, what you need to do next is you click on this eye icon here, or no eye icon here, to take out the image from being seen. Take it out from being seen, and then you save this tone paper. You go here to this, down here, click on it, you click on transparent, so the background will be transparent. Then you save this tone paper effect. I save in png ultra. You save it to your gallery. and then you can now hide this one. It's called the hide icon actually. You can now hide it, and then you come back to this other one, this one here. That was the first image, and then you go down here, you swipe, you swipe, swipe until you get to color filters. You click on color filters, and you see where you have the saturation option. You need to decrease the saturation to black and white, no colors, and then you click on the check mark. And after doing that, actually what I was supposed to do first was copy this image. Sorry, copy this image first. Copy it. Is the copied one you're going to change to black and white. You copy the image as you can see, and you place it on this one, or you can still hide the one underneath, and you place it very well with the relative position option down here. Then after doing that, you now change it, go back to that color filters option, you click on it, and yes, you turn it to a black and white image. Click on the check mark, and then you save this also. Remember, you save the torn paper effect, so you save this. Good. So the next thing you want to do is to now hide this black and white. Hide it, or you can as well delete, because we may not need it again. So you unhide the colored image, and then what you do is to go to this plus sign again from gallery. You pick that torn paper effect that you saved in Pixellab. You click on it and you bring it in. Now don't touch anything. Don't resize manually. So what you do next is to scroll until you see relative size. You click on it, you increase it. You're doing this so that you do not obstruct what you are designing, and then you click on the check mark. And then after that, you go to texture right here. Then you're swiping right, you go to texture, you click on texture, click on the image. Now the black and white image you save is what you will click on, and you click on that, and you click on the check mark. Have you seen the effect? This is what we want. Now there's one last step you need to take, and that is the stroke effect. Down here after the color filters, you click on the stroke effect, enabled. Now you can see you can make the stroke as much as you want, however you feel like it will fit the design. You make your stroke that way, and this is it. This is just it. This is how you make the torn paper text effect. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you again in my next video. But before then, we have to save our design. So like I said before, you click on this save, you click on save as image. It's already in PNG. I love to save my work in PNG. You click here and you pick the ultra for the highest quality. And that is it, guys.